Welcome friends, in this video we will see the opportunity which is coming from Bitwise. They are hiring a Java developer, full stack developer and PLSQL developer. So how to apply for this job profile, what is the selection process and what are the job profile and who can apply, how to apply, what is the salary structure. So all these things we will be discussing around. Before that I request you to please join the Telegram channel so that you can get every latest updates on a job and internship. So direct links are applied over there. You can directly go to the links and apply to according to your subject and according to your requirements. So guys, you can join and take a benefit, and do share the channel to others also so that they can also take the opportunity. So guys, let's discuss about this job profile which is of Bitwise company. So yes, Bitwise is a very good company and they have over 20 plus over experience. So what is the selection process we will discussing upon. Selection process is like online assessment will be there. First there will be a test of 2 hours. So guys, after that test you will be again called for a technical interview, and final interview will be there. After that there will be a HR interview. So this will be also a elimination round. So guys, you can apply according to that. Some of the important guidelines we will discussing upon that while online test it landed, shortlisted candidate must available for after further online interview process. Of course they will be there. Candidates should be available for immediate joining. So guys, based on the job description, the test has various sections and subsection that is under test is under different skill categories. Please keep your resume ready, and it's a mandatory to upload the resume during the registration. And also you will be mentioning your 10th and 12th grade standard graduation marks will be there. Percentage should not be like a CGPA. So test duration is going to be 2 hours long, so be prepared for that. So guys, they have also mentioned the salary structure of Java developer and full stack developer and PLSQL developer. For all the jobs you will be getting 3,84,000, which is a minimum and maximum salary. So guys, start date is like you will be there will be a start date of 19th of April. So this is today's 20th, and you can still apply to this job. And you have to drop your email ID here, and after that full name, contact number and graduation year or graduation college you have to mention. So after that you have to choose whether you are a Java developer, full stack or PLSQL developer. Then after that you have to write your experience according to your resume and according to your whatever the you are applying for. Like if you have a experience of Java developer, you can apply according to that. You can write the keywords, some of the keywords over here, so that your resume should be shortlisted. You can just apply submit button and click on the submit button and apply to this job. So there are a lot of job openings in with the jobs and off-campus drive. You can apply these job openings. You can go to this Telegram channel and apply to all the job openings available over there according to your education and qualification, according to your skills. You can apply that. Direct links are given over there. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and do share the video to others. Thank you.